Hello, welcome back to next video. So last video we made our product details screen. Like if you go here, you can see all the products made by the vendor, and you can approve the products. So once it's approved, it goes to the published where you can inactive product also. So and when you press one product, it will go to product details screen. So you can see all the product details here. And I have already bring some details to show in the screen, but there are some more things we missed in last video, so I will bring that one. And we have a button here to edit the product. Based on that, we can edit the product also. So when you press the edit button only, you can start editing the product. Until then, all the fields are inactive. So now what we can do is, now we brought the you bring product model here. So already product name we brought, and next one is the brand, product name, description also bring. Next unit is bring, price, taxable. Let's see which one is missing that we can bring. Okay, now taxable and GST also there, category, main category all there, stock on hand, reorder level is there. Shipping charge is missing, shipping charge also there. Okay, now let's continue. Like for example, okay, tax status, it's already there, taxable. Okay, category means available, description is there, scheduled date, this is for the selling price. So we can decide until which date this price is valid, that we need to start updating here. Currently we didn't bring that, so we can bring that one. How we can bring is first we can show what is the current scheduled date. So for that we can add actually that is a timestamp. If you come to our file store, you can see scheduled date. Scheduled date is timestamp, right? But we want to convert that to date time, not to timestamp. So how we can convert? Okay, first mention a scheduled date. Okay, put a question mark here. Then come to init state. And some product we don't have a scheduled date actually. For example, this one we have scheduled date. If you come to another product, it depends on how the vendor select. Here we don't have any scheduled date. So sometimes we don't have, sometimes we have. So sometimes it will be null. So we need to mention if widget dot product dot schedule date not equal to null, then we want to save the scheduled date as scheduled date is equal to, okay, you can just copy this one. Okay, just copy. Okay, now here add a null check, and you can see this is a date time and this is a timestamp. So of course you will face an error for that one. So how we can, because if you put the browser mouse pointer here, you can see okay, first it is regarding a null check. Okay, we added a null check and we also add a null check, but still is an error. What is the error? Error is it is timestamp and date time. That is the problem here. So we need to convert this timestamp to date time. So you just cut that one and date time. Okay, date time dot from microseconds since above. Then in the bracket you copy our timestamp and dot microseconds since above. So all the errors is gone. Now in our Firebase services we already have a formatted date here. So we want to that will convert this date time to a formatted string. So for that, first we need to call our Firebase services. Firebase services equal to Firebase services. Okay, make it as final. Okay, and come to our, where's the price? Okay, we have sales price and the regular price. I think we can bring all this row in a container. Okay, wrap that with a column, and column wrap with a container, and give column a padding all around 8. So first row is this is the row sales price and regular price. Behind that, let's add a size box of height of 10 Okay, sorry, we need to add a color to this container. What color we can use? Colors dot gray dot a shade of 400. Okay, do a hot reload and see how it shows. Okay, my hot reload takes little time. I don't know why. Sometimes it happens like this. Okay. Yeah, so it is like this. I need to now the sales price, regular price is not seeing, so I will again reduce the color to 300, not 400. Then we okay, now it is fine. So sales price and regular price is showing. Next we want to show the timestamp, right? So let's say text sales price until. Okay, this is one, and this one also we need to wrap with a row, and we want to show in different side. One is here, one is here. So for that, main axis alignment dot space between, and here again text we want to show that scheduled date, but it is formatted as string. So how we can say, let's say services dot formatted date scheduled date, but this should show if scheduled date not equal to null only, otherwise don't want to show that one. Now if you do a hot reload, yeah, now it's not showing because scheduled date is until. Okay, scheduled date will be null. Okay, I go back and count with another product. This also null. So I think for that mobile we have, yeah, you can see sales price until the date is there. So now if you want to change, how to change that? For that we can add a elevated button, child text change date on press. So this elevated button also we want to show if it is null only. So it should not be inside the row, it should bring out of the row. So cut that, and after the row inside the column. But this row and this button together should show if it is not null. So what we need to do is we need to bring again these two inside a column. I think we can together add this to column. Let's see how we need to cut and do it. Okay, I will cut that one and column children. Okay, now if I do a hot reload, yeah, now it's showing the change date button here. I will add height of 10 here also. Okay, now if I come with another product, if there is no scheduled date means the button and nothing will show. If I come with a scheduled date, then you can see the button also there. Now when you press the button, you all should able to change the product, and also this button should show how if editable is equal to false, then that means only if you press here only it should show, otherwise it should not show. That is another thing. Okay, now let's reload. So it's not coming. Now when you press here it's showing, right? So you need to press and show. Yeah, now if you press save it's going, and again if you press edit it's coming back. So when you press on press it should show date time picker, show date picker, context initial date should be our scheduled date. That means which is already saved in our file store, and first date should be date time dot now, and because you should not be able to update back date, and last date should be date time. You can put 5000 dot then when you select the date you will get a date. Save that date as scheduled date. Scheduled date is equal to value, that is this value. Now here you need a null check. What happened here? It says, yeah, you need to add a null check, then null will go. Okay, Okay, let's do hot reload, but you need to put this inside as set state, then only it will change automatically, otherwise you need to refresh again. So okay, let's see change date, and it came. You can see this is today's date, and this is the date we already saved in Firestore. So I change this to 30 and press OK, and you can see it is changed to 30/01. Okay, if I put this one again, change date, I put to February 9, then you can see 0902. So it works perfectly. That is working. And another one. So what next? Let's see now. Tags happen. Tags came to get this schedule date also. Okay, SKU, we have already SKU here. Manage inventory, it is showing 10 SOH and reorder level also. But that also, I think I have mentioned, yeah, if it is true only it should show, so that is perfect. And shipping charge is here. Shipping charge also, if it is true only it should show shipping charge. What if you want to make it false? Even this, even the inventory management also, if you don't want to manage the inventory, we should be able to change that. So how we can change? Let's do like this. Add this also inside a container and give a padding. And container, give a color of gray. Colors.gray.shade of 400. Then it's a row, and this row will show SOH and a reorder level. If it is true only, right? Reduce the color to 300. Now before this row, you can bring inside a column, and you can bring our checkbox list tile, and the value you can show our manage inventory, that is this one, not this one. Actually, you can do one thing here. Bool manage inventory, then inside here, if widget dot product dot manage inventory is equal to true. So if no, okay, no need to inventory to, so manage inventory is equal to widget, because it will sometime will be true, sometime will be false, whatever it will show in the Firestore. So whatever it is showing there, we want to save that as manage inventory. Okay, so here we can say the value is manage inventory, and on change it. When you change, you will get a value true or false. That one you add inside a set state and say manage inventory is equal to value. Now, okay, do a hot reload. Okay, you got an error. I just go and come back. The error will go. Now it is showing here as true. That's it, showing here. Then this one we can give a title as a text. Manage inventory, and also there is a padding, content padding. You can put nil, I mean index.0. Now it should show nicely. Then if here we can say this one, you can cut from here, and here mention if manage inventory is equal to true only, show this one. Otherwise we don't no need to show SOH on the reorder level also. and whenever we select this one as false, what we need to do is if value is equal to false, then if we remove the manage inventory, that means you don't want to manage the inventory, then of course our SOH should change to 0. SOH should change to, okay, I will put null, and reorder level also I will put null. Reorder level is equal to null. What is there? So it's dot text. Okay, you need to mention because it's a text editing controller. Now do a hot reload. What is there? What it says? Sorry, it should say text soh dot clear, not null. It should be soh dot clear. So when you save, what will happen is it will save as null. Okay, now if I remove this one, okay, go and come back, it's not removing. Why? Because manage inventory, changed value. If won't change it, then set state manage inventory is equal to value is equal to false, then okay. So here we mention manage inventory, and here we already set state manage inventory as inventory, and manage inventory and manage inventory. But why it is not changing is another question. Okay, go and come back, and if you press here, it is not able to change, right? What? Okay. Okay, sorry, actually we are not in editable position, so just press the edit button. Now you can press here, so when you press, it's showing no need to manage inventory, so nothing will show. So if you press again, it's coming back with the current inventory level, correct? So what should happen is, if the inventory value is equal to false, okay. So now if you want to change, you can change here the inventory level like this. If you don't want to manage inventory, you can just remove it. Finish. So, okay, that also now working fine. Now, okay, you can see now the search and reorder level is null. Okay, if I put a 10 and reorder level as 2, now if we remove and again come back, it's gone. So that means when you save, you will be saving as 0 value. Okay, that also now working fine. Now one more thing we need to bring, that is the size list here. So that we need to bring, and also this shipping charge also we should be able to control here. If you want to charge or no need to charge, that also we need to work here. So next is shipping charge. Now we just showing the charge there, but we want to decide whether we want to show shipping charge or not, right? So shipping charge also, okay, add sized box after manage inventory. You can see at 10 and put this inside a container and add a padding and give colors dot gray dot shade of 400. I think 300 is the one we given before. Yeah, now shipping charge 100. Here also we want to keep a checked box. So for that, bool charge shipping. So it is true or false, we should get from from our Firebase. So budget dot product dot what will be the charge shipping. So it's a boolean. You can see it's a bool, so it will save here. Not manage inventory, it should be charge shipping and come down, and the shipping charge, if charge shipping is true only, we want to show which one? We want to show only this text field. We want to show this row, otherwise okay, we can put it here. Sorry, okay, wait. So it's a row, and where was that? Okay, here. This container, inside the container you have a row, and this row you put inside a column, and this row should show, that means this shipping charge should show if charge shipping is true, otherwise no need to show. And here we can show our checkbox title and tile, checkbox list tile, and the value will be charge shipping and on changed. When you change the value, you will get a boolean value. That value you put inside a set state charge shipping is equal to value. Actually, you may feel very complicated if you are doing this faster time, because I am trying to do the maximum here. So I hope you all will understand. Okay, now let's hot reload again, and here we need to give a title. Title is a text, and say charge shipping, and we need a content padding. Content padding edge insets dot 0. Okay, do a hot reload, so you may get an error. Okay, now go back and come again. So now you can see charge shipping is true, the shipping charge is 100. Okay, if I remove that shipping charge, okay, first you press the edit button, and charge shipping you just remove, then it's gone. So if you want to charge shipping, it will come back with our old shipping charge. But if you press this charge shipping based on that value, if value is equal to false, that means if you don't want to charge shipping, then we need to clear this shipping charge dot clear. So I think our shipping charge work also is done. It's like if you have 100 here, now you removed it and again came back, shipping charge is gone. Now you need to add again the shipping charge, and when you save, it will save what you have given here. Okay, that also now happened. Next one is brand given. Next is a size, it's a list, and also other details we didn't give, and unit we already given, image given, all given. So let's bring this other details first. I think other details we don't have, right? So before unit we can bring that one. That is simple. You can create one more text editing controller and say other details, and here inside our init state, inside the set text, you can say other details dot text is equal to product dot other details. Put a null check, so there won't happen. And after the description, product name and description, after this description you can copy this text field and paste, and you say other details, and here you can give a controller that is other details. So now other details will show. Now inventory, shipping charge, category, okay, tax details, and if you do taxable, you change it to non-taxable. What will happen? Non-taxable, yeah, the taxable is gone. You can see the tax rate is gone. Now if you select again as taxable, it came back. Okay, so now you have to show in null, but if you go and come back, you can see gold color golden. So this all is there. What if other product, what will happen? That also working fine. Now let's see, let's bring this size list. So size we can bring maybe after this price details. So after this container, add a size box of 10, container child. So you can say list size list is equal to list, and if widget there was some product we don't have a size, so widget dot product dot widget dot product dot size not equal to size dot is not empty. That means there is some size inside the size list. Then add a null check. Again add a null check. So if it is not empty, then size list is equal to size list is equal to the size we have here. Okay, that is fine. So what is the error here? What is the error? Okay, the error is gone. Now come here. The child, we want to show that list. How we can show? We need to say if, okay, this child we want to show inside a column. Inside a column, and column you can give a padding, and this one also you can give a color. The container also give a colors dot gray dot shade of 300. Okay, so here I put a comma, and here the size list. So this size list we want to show if size list dot is not empty. So if it is not empty, only we want to show this size list. So how we can just list view dot builder. Let's bring it list view dot builder, so you can use the index to remove some size if you don't want. We need to have scroll direction as axis dot horizontal. If you want to bring it as horizontal, you should have a height to the container here. Let's bring like 80, and here we need an item count. Item count is size list dot length, that is the height. Then here the item builder is context and index, and return a text. Okay, return a text, and the child will be item count, item builder. What happened here? List view dot builder. Okay, you should not bring this one, that is my mistake. Okay, here actually it's a comma. So what is this text? Text is size list in text is the text. So here comma. Okay, now you just do a hot reload. Okay, go and come back. Nothing is showing. and go to phone. Also some error is happening, so we have some issue. What is the issue? Let's see what is the issue. Issue is the problem with this container, and here we have given as a horizontal and a column. Let's say main axis size dot minimum. Okay, do a hot reload. Still showing error. The error. Let's give this list view builder also inside a container and give a height of 80, and this height I will remove here. Hot reload. What is the error? Okay, comma. Okay, now it's coming. This one no size, that's why nothing is showing, because we have mentioned if it is not empty it should show, and it's showing a small. This we'll keep it. We need to add some more, so after it will be clear. Blue one we have M and L, so we will work on that now. Okay, so we have now a container. Its color is gray. Inside that a column. The first child we have given the size list. The size list is showing in a text here. It is actually medium and large, right? So we want to give a padding and bring this padding. Okay, we want to bring this text inside a container. Here you can give a padding of 4, and this container inside you can give text a padding. Container you can give a color of you can give amper, and here also comma. Okay, give a decoration box decoration, and border radius. Okay, border radius dot circular circular 4. And if you use a decoration, of course the color should be inside the decoration, otherwise you will get an error. So bring it inside the decoration. Now it will show here, but what we want to show is the text should show in the center of the container, so you can bring it as inside a center. Okay, now do a hot reload. You can see two sizes came, that also not showing nicely, so we can put a height of maybe 40. It's not coming. The list view actually we no need list view actually no need 80, like we can put a 40 maybe. Yeah, now okay, this much is okay, medium and large, so okay, it's coming nicely. Now okay, this is the column and this is the container. I can change this to sized box. So this is the list, and this list will show if it is not empty. Above that we can add a text saying that size list, and it should show in a row in a row. Then other end we can add a text button. Child will be a text, say add list on pressed. Okay, and this button also should show if editable is equal to false. That means only after pressing here editable equals equal to false. Save. So, okay, sorry, hot reload. And it should show in a space between main axis size dot main axis alignment, sorry, not size, main axis alignment dot space between, and this one we can give a style of bold, font weight dot bold. Okay, hot reload. So button should show, I mean the add new button, add list button should show only if it is editable, right? Okay, now go and come back, press this one, editable, it's not showing. If editable is equal to false, then show this text button as add list. So first is editable is equal to true, then I can do a hot reload. It's not showing. Why not showing? Row size list. So what if I remove this editable? Okay, if editable is equal to false, that means you have to show in a boolean way. Okay, now if you press this one, it's going, add list is going, and if you press this again, you can see add list is coming back. And when you press the add list, then you should have one row here. So when you press the add list button, you can say bool add list is equal to false. So first it is false. So when you press the button add list, first it should be true. Set that you can put inside set state. So add list is equal to true. Okay, now this one is first child of column, and what is the error there? No error actually. Okay, this is the first child. Next child, we want to bring a text to form field. And that should bring inside a row. If you use a text to form field inside a row, that you have to wrap with expanded widget, and the first child is text field. Second child is an elevated button saying add with the child of text add, then on pressed. So when you press add here, whatever we have entered in the text to form field, it should add to the size list. So for that we need a controller for the text field. So the controller will be size text is the controller, and give that controller to our text to form size text that you can do some decoration text input decoration. Okay, sorry, input decoration, and make it is field is equal to true, and make a color field color as colors dot white. Okay, now hot reload. So this is the text to form field. After that you can add a sized box with the 10 width also. Then the another thing is, okay, after this complete row, you can add another sized box of height 10. Another thing is this text field and this add button would show if add list. That means if add list is equal to true, that means only if you press this button only, the text button only, it should show. Okay. Okay, now this okay, this okay, this okay. Now when you press add, yeah, now it is like this. So when you press the add list, then it will show. So when you press add, first thing is we want to clear the text from size text dot clear, the clear, and put that inside a set state, and when you press the save button here, we want to make this add list as false because we want to hide this text field again. Okay, now did a hot reload. Now it is ineditable because it's already pressed there. Now I press the save button, so it is gone. Now I press edit button, you can see add list came here. When you press the add list, it's coming here. Now whatever you enter here, when you press the add, it should add to the list here. So how we can do that? We can do that by okay, here another thing, if nothing is here, you should not able to add, it should say to add something. For that you need to make one more form key here, form key 1. The first form key we have already given here, that is for all other text field. The second form key 1 is only for this text form. Alright, so where is that? It is yeah, add list. So where is the row? This is the size list and this is the row, add list, right? So this here we have a text field and the button. This both is inside a button, I mean inside a row. So this row you can wrap with form and the key we can give form key 1. Now when you press the button, if form key 1 dot current state dot validate only, all this function whatever give here should happen. Add a null check, and this text field you need to give a validator. If value dot empty is empty, then enter a value. Add a null check, hot reload. When you press, you can see enter a value. Okay, so if it is validate, then size list dot add size text dot text, then okay, then set state. Okay, now do the hot reload. Okay, I add a size of x, means XL, then press add button. Now you can see XL came here. Again I add one x, press add, it came here, so it's coming here nicely. So when you press the long press, if you want to remove, we can give a long press there. How we can give, we can say okay, it's coming here. So when you press this container, inkwell on tap, equal on long press. I think no need this function here. Okay, on long press we can say set state okay, set state size list dot remove at this index. So that it is the index 0 1 2 3. So which one you press, that index we can remove. Now if you do a hot reload, okay, now you press the, okay, I'm long pressing this X here, so I press long, then it's gone. Again I press XL, it's gone. It works fine. And okay, now if you save and go and come back, you can see medium and large only. If I add one more XL and added, so XL came here, I save and go and come back, actually it will go, because when okay, it's coming there. Now okay, now we want to save this to Firestore. Actually it is not saved. For example, if you see here it is there, but if you go to another screen and come back, it will not show. So because it is not saved to Firestore, so we want to save that in Firestore now. So now actually we have brought all the details we have brought to the screen. When you press that one, we should save this to Firestore with all the changes here, right? So how we can do that? The save button also you bring, if you say if form key dot current state dot validate, if it is validated only we want to save it, otherwise error should come. Okay, now here I remove the SOH. Okay, I press save, you can see enter SOH. The error is coming actually. It is coming from here. So if I remove it and I press, actually the error won't come. There won't be any error. So if you want to save with manage inventory, of course you need to add the value in the text form field, otherwise you will get an error. And now we can start saving this data to Firestore. So if everything is validated, then we want to save. So how we can save is services dot save to db, right? Save to db, we have already a function to save, but actually we don't want to save, actually we want to update that. So services dot products dot doc, so we need to get a document id. For each product we have id here, so only the particular id we want to edit, so we need to mention this id here. That id we have already brought in our constructors as a product id, so we can say okay, dot widget dot product id dot update. Then here we can give all the data that we need to update. Now we need to give key and value here as a key and value to update. So in our Firestore, we are giving all the field as a map, that is key and value. So the same way we can send to Firestore to update the data. So actually we will separate this. Okay, just cut and okay, add a function here, update product. Okay, then paste. So service dot products dot okay, you can mention return Okay, leave it to return, we'll leave. And here we can on AC load. AC loading dot show. So it will show that loading widget. Then it will start update. So we need to update what all the fields which is showing here one by one. So we can start from, okay, we can go this order. First we can show the brand. So how we can show the brand is brand. You can see in the product model, same brand. We have a brand text editing controller, so you can show that here brand dot text. This is first one, and the second one is product name, so that we can see here product name. Product name dot text. Next we can give the description. So this is the description. We can description dot text. So now I will just continue until I finish all this field. You can just watch. I will be silent. Okay, next is color. So this is actually other details. Other details is other details. Okay, this unit is not editable here, so that one we no need to add in our update. Next is sales price. Here the size, we have the updated size here as a size list, so we can show the size list there. Size list. Then next is taxable. So that is here tax status and tax amount. So the key will be tax status. So here tax amount If you go to our tax amount, you can see if we select, it is saving as tax value. So it is saving us GST 10%, GST 12%, is like that. So that is not a good one, because tax amount before we saved as an integer. Let's see how it is saved before. It is saved as tax value as an integer. So what we can do is, so if it is this, we can say 10, or this we can say 12. So here tax value we need to say is equal to this, then 10, otherwise 12. So if you select the GST 10, it will save only as a 10, otherwise it will save us. If you select from the drop down, if you select 12%, then here it will save us 12. Okay, then category and main category, we are not making any changes, so no need to add here in the update. But manage inventory or not, true or false, we need to update. As you can see here, it is true, so that we need to update. That one, how we can do is, okay, manage inventory. That value you can get from here, boolean manage inventory, right? So manage inventory and SOH. So SOH will be SOH dot text. SOH text. Next is reorder level. That is reorder level. Reorder level dot text. Next is shipping, charge shipping or not. It's a boolean value. Same like here, you can see there's the charge. Okay, charge shipping, true or false. So that we need to take charge shipping. So charge shipping is a boolean, we have mentioned here as boolean. Next is shipping charge, right? So shipping charge, that is a text editing controller. So you need to add text. Okay. Next is inventory code. Actually, that is not editable. So this is the things we want to update, right? Okay. So now after update, then after update finish, we want to put this set state inside then, and also we want to stop our EC loading. So you can just stop EC loading dot dismiss. Okay, now let's run this one. Okay, I run. Okay, now I change this woman blue dress, something I type there as a name, as a change in the name, as a modern and blue colored dress. Okay, change product, change it means something. This is actually just an example I am doing. Edited product. Okay, edited product. Then actually this edited product is all coming in one line. Actually that is not good. We want to show full in the screen whatever it is in that text to form field. We want to show all here. So how we can show that is in the description. Okay, now we will keep as it is, because right now we have only something only in one line. We don't have much there. So anyway, I added this as multi-line. So when you press enter, it should come to next line. Okay. Okay, now we didn't give any maximum line here, so when you press also it will not come. Anyway, I will clear that one. Or if you come and here, if you put maximum line, if you put 5 or 10, then if you do a hot reload, Okay, now if you press what happened, now everything has become pen line. Okay, so here we can say int max line. Okay, anyway, I will show that once I finish this update. I will show how to show the or to show that correctly. Now let's keep as it is. Okay, we will go back to the normal. Okay, okay, now we updated everything, and now let's make a changes. The woman blue dress updated, and here also I will add updated. Then okay, sales price I will increase to 5, and here I will regular price I will increase to 8. Here also we need to add a small change that if regular price is more than 500, we want to show a message here, right? So how we can do that? Because it should not be able to save if it is more. So regular price, in that regular price, this is the regular price. Regular price we will give a validator, but validator we have given common for all the text field here as if it is empty only, but that is not the one we want. So we can do one thing, we can add here a validator. Validator is actually what is the type? How we can give a validator actually it is showing something different. So string value, so what we can say is validator. Why it is not showing? Okay, I will just type again validator, then I will see what is showing now. Oh. Okay, it is showing a function and a callback, right? So it should show actually how it should be given validator, and yeah. So this is the thing, so you can just copy as it is and paste here and validator, and here validator we can say if validator, that is this validator, if validator is equal to null, then you will operate our normal validator. If it is not null, if validator is equal to null, that will happen. If it is not null, then what will happen is value, then we have to say if regular price dot text, that we need to convert to integer. So int dot parse regular price dot text greater than, okay, less than int dot parse sales price dot text. So the regular price is less than sales price, then we want to return regular price, okay, enter less than sales price. Okay, so this will happen. So let's see. Okay, I will do a hot reload. Okay, what is the error? Some error showing avoid empty statement. What is that? Okay, the error is actually we need a closing of bracket here. I think that should be the problem. Yeah, now the problem is solved. So if this is like that, then return this. Correct. So we no need this bracket here. Yeah, now all that is gone. This also no need. Okay, less than sales price. Okay, I did a hot reload, and instead of 800 I changed that to 200. Now if I press save, what will happen? Nothing will happen, because when you press save, we need to show here update product, right? Update product. Okay, now do a hot reload. Okay, now this is 200, this is 500, and the regular price is less than sales price. So now I'm pressing save. It's showing some error. What is the error? String is not a subtype of int. Where it's coming into regular price. Yeah, so current state validate only, this should happen. And okay, now again another thing is regular price. In that regular price we need to select validator also, right? Validator, we have to say validator is okay. Now we can do like this. If it is null, then this one. If it is not null, if it is not null, after remove this one, sorry, you can cut that one, and we need to pass this validator here, validator, and come to the regular price. Here you can paste that. So this is the validator we given, and here also we need, yeah, if it is 0 also, okay. Okay, also we can say this also, if value is empty, then also we need a return, we need a validator, right? So if value dot is empty, return enter regular price. And it is not empty, but if it is less than sales price, still we need to show an error. So same way, the sales price also always should be less than the regular price. So that also we need to show here. It should not accept okay. So validator value, if value dot is empty, return enter sales price. That means you cannot save without a price. And also if in the dot parse, okay, here we can add a null check. Oh, it's not showing, it's just time wasting. Okay, add a null check. I think we also will have the same issue. Add a null check. So if regular price, if instead of this regular sales, you can mention the value. So if this value is less than sales price, this problem should happen. And here also same like that. If value, if int dot parse value, that is sales price, if int dot parse value greater than regular price dot text, then we want to return sales price. Okay, I will put less than regular price. Okay, int dot, okay, this also should be int dot parse. Okay, do a hot reload. What is the error? This is okay. Here also we need to make some changes. So this should not be text actually. This also need to convert to int. Regular price also same like that. Tax status, okay, this also we have done like that. And SOH also in integer should be number. Okay, this is in text, no problem. And price, as we have given size also in text only, so no need this in the dot parse. Oh, just now we did it's updated automatically, or let's see. The price, where's the price? It should be in number, not a text. So I put the control Z. Both should be number, and SOH also. SOH is in text. X value is a number. Okay. Shipping charge is in text. Not this one. Shipping charge is number. Price is in number or in number. What about here? Here also it is number, and SOH is in number. Shipping charge also in number. So we need to convert all this in number. First price converted. This one also in number. SOH also should be in the dot parse, and the reorder level also. Reorder level also it should be in number. In the dot parse, and shipping charge also should be in number. Or okay, then so first we want to see the validation. The regular price is less and the sales price is more. So how it will happen? First we need to check. Now this one we are getting problem because by mistake when I save all this changed as text. So we need to convert this to number. And the regular price 200 and sales price 500, shipping charge 100, SOH 10. Okay, now I did the hot reload. Go and come. Yeah, now here also you see the problem is coming because of the price I change. It is big issue. What was that? Okay, 10 202. I will do one thing. For temporary I will delete this one. Okay, now we have two products. Okay, open and scan here. Okay, this is nicely working. Now I want to edit. Okay, press the edit, and okay, now here's 400 and it's 500. This 500 I change to 200, then I press save button, then it says to change, right? There is a difference. So this one I change to maybe 600. Okay, I change it to 600, and the name also I just made a change, updated. Another one is there is no list added, but I want to, there is no list here. I will add a list of medium and large and free size. Okay, 3 size added. Now if I save, okay, yeah, it is saved. Now it is saved already. Go back. There's a problem. Type int is not true. What is that issue? Something is, instead of double it is saving as int. So we need to see which one is that. That will be okay. Let's go product okay, product provider. Is there anything double? We have tax percentage. Yeah, it should be double. Then any other. Okay, so what to do? Let's say tax percentage. No, if it is 10 and 10 I want this. No. Where it is happening, the tax charges, tax value is 10, tax value is 12. So what is the problem? Actually the problem with the tax value, because it is double and we're just saving as an integer. That is what I'm thinking. Okay, let's go publish it, and this one let's edit. Right. Just open and I press save and I go back. Yeah, now there is no problem if I put like this, right? Yeah, tax value. Yeah, now it is working fine, but here there is an error. What if I remove that? Okay, I remove this is the one, right? Now this is mobile. Tax value delete and add. Okay, now this product is also getting error, right? So what we can do, I will delete that also. No need. Okay, I deleted that and come to publish. Okay, I will make it changes here. I will press edit button and 13 Max Pro I change to 12 and I save. Go back, there is no error. I open, you can see now it is showing as 12, and here also it should change as, what is the name? It is the name. Where is the name? Product name. Yeah, 12 Max Pro. It is changed, right? Now you can see I again edit. Now in here you can see 250 GB and 100 GB. This 100 GB I long press and I delete and I press save. It is saved, now showing only 250 GB here, and if you go and come back you can see only 250 GB. So it is working now fine, but right now we lost our two products. Okay, that we will add, no problem, not a problem here. Okay, now we have done about anything about this add product. Now let's see, go back and okay, publish it. We will make a small changes here also. The changes is I want to show how many products is there. Just want to show a number here. That is my plan. So for that, let's go to, okay, this is unpublished product, right? So this is unpublished product and it is product card, and whatever it is published or unpublished, I want to show the numbers here. So for that, this list view builder you can add with a column. Now if you do a hot reload, of course you should receive an error. because if this list view is inside a column should have an error. Yeah, so what we can do is this column we can add inside a container, and this container we can give a height of screen size, that is media query dot of context dot size dot height. Now if you do a hot reload, okay, still error showing. And what we will do if it is expanded, okay, now error gone, right? So here we want to show the number of products. So container child text total products. Then I want to show here, that is the snapshot dot talks dot length, and we need a null check here. If you do a hot reload, you can see it is showing here, right? So we can give a padding, and this container we can give a colors of gray dot 400 shade. Okay, now this width we need, right? So width we can give media query dot of context dot size dot width. The hot reload, yeah, now it's showing here the product number. Now if you go unpublish it, there is no products, so it's showing nothing, and we go publish it, you can see total product is 1. Okay, I made it inactive, it's gone from published to unpublished, then published product also will show total product is 1. Okay, it's working perfect. Now let's do one thing, let's add 1 or 2 products. Add product, let's say woman dress blue. Now you can see the this is in multi-line, the okay, woman dress in blue with flowers around, something. Okay, this is a test description, good quality, something like that I given. Okay, category I select women's fashion, and I select clothing, and subcategory is nothing actually. Regular price I put 1000, selling price 800, tax status is non-taxable. Okay, non-taxable. Inventory SKU 002, manage inventory 10 and 2, shipping, charge shipping 100, brand, test numbers. I will add Excel, press to save, color blue, images, 1 2 3, select, okay, save. Okay, it's saved now. Now go to product or product. So is an error. What is that error? Same as text value because it is as double. Tax value. Okay, we have not given a tax here because tax status is not taxable. So we need to go here. Okay, we need to go to model. So if it is tax value is equal to null, then null, otherwise we need to show the text value. So that is one problem. I hope there won't be any other issue. Okay, I do the hot reload. Error should go. Yeah, error gone now. Okay, now came with 2 product and nothing is here, and you can see here total product is 2, and I opened the details. All the details came, but you can see here there's a problem. So this we need to clear. How we can clear? Go to product details screen, and here let's say, so remove this issue. What you can do is you come to this text to form field and put minimum line as null, and maximum line also as null, max line also as null. Then do hot reload. Now you can see it is showing as 3 line. If you go with another product, it will show it is only 1 line, so it's showing only 1 line. If you come to another product, it has 3 lines, so it is showing as 3 line. So here now it is okay. Now it is non-taxable, so I will change this. Okay, press the edit button. I change this non-taxable as taxable, then I select as a 10% and I save. I came back and I open. You can see it is showing. Okay, it's all showing now. Perfect. Okay, remove the I want to remove this size here. Okay, long press, size should remove, press save, go back and come back. No size list is nothing, so you press again edit, add list, and you can add a size XL, add and save. It's showing there, and again edit. If I remove and save, it's showing size list. So actually, if no size, we want to show something there. So in this size list, we need to say that if size list dot empty dot is empty. If it is empty, then we want to say size list as 0. Otherwise, no. Okay, otherwise you can put like this. You can remove these cones here, and the size list, I think we need to add a null check. Maybe okay, no need. Do hot reload. Yeah, you can see size list is 0. Now if you go add list, I added a size of medium and save. Now you can see size list is M, and if I remove that and save, size list is 0. So I will add again medium and small, save. Okay, go back, and if you can see, it is always there. So now we have total product of 2 unpublished and nothing is published. So I will just publish this one and this one, so it is published. It's working. And now in unpublished, okay, we will add one more product. So go to product, add product, and the product name woman dress pink. This is a sample second product. I don't know what to mention in the description. That's why I'm saying like this. Beautiful flower crown with full of flowers. Category women's fashion, and select the main category as clothing. Regular price 500, sales price maybe 250, so 50% discount. I will add a schedule of 31st, and tax status is taxable, and taxes amount is 10%. Inventory SKU 003, manage inventory, it is 30, and 2 shipping charge is 100, attribute brand, I will just add test, unit is number, size is medium, and also large we have, and press to save. Other details, color red, and images, add image. I will add the image of 1 2 3 4. Okay, select and save. Okay, now if you come to all products, we have one unpublished product and two, you can see here, two non-published, a published one and one unpublished. I'll add one more product. Okay, what the image I have to add? I have here. Okay, I think this is, what is this? Okay, there is a power bank. I will add only one image. I will mention Samsung power bank. Samsung power bank battery, power bank battery 4000 or 6000 mAh. Category will be electronic accessories and electronic accessories, and the main category, let's say, mobile accessories, and subcategory we have, okay, power bank we have, okay, regular price maybe 2000, selling price I put 1500, and schedule as next month until 26th. Tax status is taxable, 10% inventory, SKU 004, stock on hand 50, and reorder level is 10, shipping charge 100, brand Samsung, unit is 9, and the size, what we can say, size no need. Okay, other details, color black. Okay, only that I will add, and the image already here. Save product. Okay, now all products, we have one Samsung bank, power bank, and one woman dress, and in published two, unpublished two. So this also I will approve, and I will approve. So now no unpublished products. So if you come to published product, you have all these products here, and if you go to here, you can see all the details. With the, you can change the selling price, you can extend if you want. Okay, power bank, there is a problem with the power bank. What is the problem? There is a null check operator. Something is null that we actually receive as null. Is that size list? Schedule date, not size also. Yeah, this is the problem with size, because there is no size. So if not empty only, we want to add this one. So size list. So if product.size dot is not empty, actually size not equal to null. If you go model, we have already given and the product details. So if it is not empty, then we have to show this one. Actually, this is not only empty, it is null also there. So how we can say this? Okay, if it is not empty like that, else print empty. Actually, there is no size, so it should be error. Okay. What we can do is, if product size dot is not empty, instead of empty, is there anything like okay, let's do one thing. We can print here, print, and let's see what it shows. Okay, let's do like this. If it is null is equal to null, if it is null, okay, cut this one. If it is not null, we want to add this. If it is null, print null. Okay, do a hot reload. Yeah, now the error is going. If you come here, actually it is null, so the set is printing. You cannot make it as not null because yeah, it is coming. So add there and remove this else. Okay, so phone, Samsung, woman and woman dress, so it's all okay. So you can, when you add a product, do with all null and non-null value and see if any error happen. You can clear that one like this. So currently according to my list there is no error. I think mostly I have covered, and now I have published all, and our total product is 4 and it is showing here nicely. So now when you do a in a horizontal wise also, you can see it is scrolling, there is no error, so it worked perfectly. So I will stop now, then I will see you with the next video with some changes here. Maybe I will add a search option. Maybe you can search the product like that. So see you with the next video. Bye bye.